message from Coach Laudiaann.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Laudiaann Silvis here again making another video. I actually wanted to make a video about my mentor. This is the mentor that I follow, and if you don't have a mentor, you need to have a mentor if you want to become successful online. All right, guys. I did not have a mentor in, I think, last June. And without having a mentor, I didn't know how to go about how to work my online business back then. Um, I never had a close mentor. I never followed a mentor. Actually, I didn't have a mentor to mentor me. Many people that wanted to be my mentor, I had to pay huge amounts of dollars. And even if you paid in a program that they promised that they would help you, they never helped me. As a matter of fact, I've been doing internet marketing for years. I've been promised that I would have my mentor help me, but they don't really commit to mentoring you truly in a personal way unless you pay a lot of money for them to help you. And most of the business online, if you go and do and follow whatever they're trying to teach you, they really want you to do the whole work, and which is true, but they still you can't get uh, successful that way if you don't have a mentor that's going to follow up after you. And many times, if you join a program, your sponsor is the one that's supposed to help you, but then there are times that they're never there and you're stuck. So what do? You don't really have someone to rely on to help you succeed in life. Now, this mentor you see is Wesley. Wesley is different than all the other successful entrepreneurs, successful millionaires out there. Everybody else wants you to invest more money in them instead of them helping you. All right, my mentor is not like that. Wesley is cool. I think he's God sent from God. He is a blessing. All right. His dad is actually a pastor. Wesley always believed in himself, even when he was broke. And if you watch his story on the Genie script, there's a review of the Genie script before you ever purchase this product, which is only, guys, $37. You can't beat a $400 program that costs only $37. If you can treat your family out to eat, why not invest in your mindset? All right. Wesley has learned how to invest in his mindset. He was broke. It took him his Genie script. This product has helped him become a millionaire now. He's soon to be a billionaire. And I really believe Wesley, his dream has come to pass, and he believes in you. That's why he made this product. But it is actually up to you to take action and to invest in yourself and do follow him, do follow his plan, follow his modules, teach yourself and reprogram your mind, because that's what he had to go through. It's a reprogram of your mind, training your mind, believing valuable who you are, being the best who you can be is what you're going to become. Now, if you have a dream, that can come to pass. If you always want to be a millionaire, that will come to pass. If you want to be successful online, that will come to pass. Wesley will teach you his in his course, it will come to pass. If you go through this course, over and over and over and over, your mindset, the way you think about life is going to totally change. You will not have the same mindset struggling how to struggle online. You're actually going to be transferred over to believing and investing and um, seeing all your goals come to pass. Okay, but this is my mentor Wesley. Okay, he talks about his story, um, and he is very such an awesome mentor. You need to get to know him, guys. All right. This is the product you need to get. You need to enroll in his product. All right. This is the Genie script right here, but he added 5 bonuses here of meditation on helping you. All right. This is his program, his meditation technique. So I am actually going to click. I'm going to click here for you guys to get access to it. After you watch the preview video of his story about him, at the end of the video, you're going to see a lot of upsells of his other products too. Just ignore it, guys, okay? Because what you want to do is you want the Genie script, all right? Um, and just go ahead, just when you see a lot of these upsells after, what you only trying to get to the Genie script, just, refuse it and go on till the end of the order. All right, the Genie script is $34.18 with total subtotal tax $2.48. So you're actually going to pay less than $37. It's $36.66. You can pay it through credit card, PayPal, wire transfer. All right, guys, if you can invest in food for your family and treating yourself somewhere to a fancy restaurant, why don't you pay $37 to invest in your mindset? That's much more powerful than anything else. Okay, you wanna become successful online. You need to get this product. This product is hot. This program is really hot right now. It's the top notch. Again, you are guaranteed 100% money back guarantee, but I know you're not going to want that money back. You're going to find out that this product is awesome. Let me read a couple reviews of people. Their lives have changed. Bobby here says, it is an honor and privilege to be part of Wesley's Mindset, showing us how we can become the same. That's powerful within each of us, but we must be teachable. The Genie script has changed way of my thinking. So grateful for your love. My review is that it has totally changed me. I do not think the same anymore. I actually have my whys, my intentions, my goals. I'm not lost anymore because of his courses. I am actually being very successful now. I have 2 channels right now. YouTube channels are going to be monetized. I never thought that I will be making money on YouTube, but this is the year that I will be making money on 2 YouTube channels, uh, which I have never thought about it last year. If I did not meet my mentor Wesley, I would not be able to manifest my goals that I'm accomplishing this year. This YouTube channel right now, you see, I have almost 280 videos. I have some of my unlisted, but it's a total of 280 videos. I started with Wesley the end of June. All right. No, then in August, last August, okay, when I joined Wesley, I ordered one of his programs called the Overnight Millionaire. That course actually really actually changed me, and I had 50 videos on my YouTube channel. I decided to do a YouTube channel last year because of the COVID-19, and I wanted to start my online business again. So now this is the new year for me. I follow my mentor. I'm so successful now, and nothing is holding me back now. everything that's coming to pass, my goals, my dreams, everything is manifesting, and I'm feeling great. Guys, I'm feeling empowered by his courses. His program is awesome. You need to get Wesley's courses because it's going to change your mindset. It's going to change the way you think about life, how you've been thinking. It's going to break barriers of what you have been struggling online. Now it's going to be you're going to be bound free and be able to overcome all obstacles by his programs. Okay, and Genie Script is hot right now. Uh, Margaret says, I feel empowered and I have already gained so much information from the Genie Script course. I am ready to put what I have learned into action. Let's go. And Dominique says, this works. I'm in awe. Thank you so much, Wes. You have brought tears of joy to me. I didn't think I was going to manifest hiring the people I needed for my business, but I did. All right. People have been getting awesome results just following Wesley's programs. Wesley has many, many programs that will help you become successful. But this is the one that if you're a beginner, you don't know how to meditate correctly, he takes you hand by hand. The modules will help you. There's 9 modules in this program script that's going to help you become a successful leader. You're going to become teachable. I mean, sky's the limit. Whatever your talents are, your talent is going to, whatever God's given talent that he has given you, it is going to be released by just doing the Genie Script. The Genie Script works. So don't hesitate to order the product today. You get lots of bonuses. Let me show you the bonuses again. These are the bonuses that you get. All right. This is the greatest and wonderful program I have ever seen and done. Much love and blessing to Wesley and to all who have helped put this together. I feel amazing. I haven't felt this good in a long time. Thank you. I wish to meet you, Wes. You are awesome. Okay. Wesley's the one that put it together. All right. And you need to get this, enroll in it, get access to it. You can pay by a PayPal credit card. You can wire the money, but this is the best program ever, and you need to get it today. So start investing in the new year. All right. Using this technique, meditation technique, it is possible to manifest whatever you desire. The planet feels like it's falling apart. Yeah, 100%. But this program is going to give you the breakthrough that you need in life. And it all starts with the mindset. All right. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. You don't have a mentor. You need to follow him. All right. I have links below my video here. You can actually take a look at your mentor. Okay, you don't have a mentor, follow this mentor because this mentor does a lot of things for free online. And if you visit his channel, he's actually does this every day now. He shows ways how to make money online for free where no guru or entrepreneur will ever do. They never do anything for free. All right, but this mentor does, and you're gonna have become so successful if you follow him. All right, guys, God bless you. Don't forget to watch my videos. I post videos every day. Subscribe to my channel, follow me, and let's go. I'll see you later on the next video. Bye-bye for now.